Belden employed digital automation consultants because we wanted to be close to our customers and really understand customers' challenges so that we can deliver outcomes and deliver data ingestion solutions that would benefit customers in the KPIs they care about. They are experts in factory automations, they're experts in mass transit, for example. We cover different verticals, and they understand customers' challenges and operations very well, and they can help guide customers in their digital transformation journey. We always start from the very top level. What is the strategic goals we're trying to drive? Understanding those most important things that customer wanted to improve, then we can bring those questions onto the shop floor to ensure that we have a comprehensive view of the plant operation to advise customer on their digital roadmap, their maturity level, and what is the top recommendation for customers to improve their efficiency and drive their KPIs.
So as a plant operations team, we knew that we needed a more automated approach to understanding our equipment and our operations of the factory. We reached out to the Belden CIC team to find a solution that could help improve our operations and understanding our operations.
The solution the CIC team has brought is vendor neutral. We have a lot of old equipment. They didn't come in and say, well, you need to upgrade all this equipment because we can't connect to it. We had a good team meeting, we discussed it, and they brought some devices to us. We shared some devices we've used, and it didn't matter what type of devices or who they were coming from. We were able to tie those into the system and utilize that to get the data we need.
Having to adapt and build our network solution design and our overall solution design to still coexist with this legacy technology and legacy protocols has really been a great experience, and something that's a lesson that we will take with us not only here at our internal projects, but with third-party and customer projects all over the world.
The biggest thing that I noticed with the CIC team is the hands-on approach, really seeing the system and understanding the operation and really digging into the details, not just looking at surface level, but getting into the equipment, understanding all of the electronic controls of the equipment, understanding the network. We anticipate double-digit productivity improvements as a result of this endeavor. But I think the bigger one is us better understanding our operations and having a more intelligent discussion about how things operate on the floor.